First step, please dictate, and I'll do it. Good. 2 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 equals 0. Excellent. Step 2. Excellent. Can anyone give us the LCD? X times x plus 1. Very good. Adjustments, please. Right, but I will write it already multiplied because of convenience. Good. Can anyone dictate the top? Excellent. Do you all agree with 2x minus 1 minus x squared minus x? Yes? Then you will agree with 2x minus x and minus x going away. Would you agree? We agree or you disagree? So then negative 1 minus x squared over x, x plus 1 equals 0 over 1. This is our hint on how to continue. And then what would you say? Good. Tell me what to write. Yes, 0 equals. Good. So yes, or, because I know this is quadratic and I know 4 methods, I can write this by moving x squared to the other side. What method do I apply now? So then x equals, I cannot forget something crucial, plus or minus I. Well, I go back and I'll say no solutions. Very good. Next problem. Okay, let's look at 9 over x squared minus 4 plus 2 over x plus 2 equals negative 1 over x minus 2.
It means it's working. And you still get oh my goodness. 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. And I would have to read it. So he was like, "You look at me." And I said, so I said yes. And then I regretted it. I feel like I've written some job already. Where you at? Oh, I work at Francesca's. It's all along. And I work at Steve Madden. I didn't know that one there. Oh yeah, I'm working at Steve Madden. Like right after. I need to check that. I already want to put Steve Madden. And I just got back there. I already put it because people are irritating. that one time that I lived a bunch of I can't remember which one you it just irritated me so much. I know, but I wasn't bad. So you're not want to have him? Oh, I want to.
It's just not their kids.
Like there's this lady who always comes to my job. Her kids legit terrible store nuts. And she came in on Black Friday and I wanted her to leave and every time she was about to leave and like checked out, she bought more stuff. And I was just like, it's all on tape.
Uh-huh. Okay. Thank you for being patient. Sorry about that. Good. So how do I start? What do I do? Okay. So I have 9 divided by. Since I'm writing it again, yes. And then plus 2 over x plus 2, and then plus 1 over x minus 2 equals 0. Good. So then I have to write 2 restrictions right away, and they are now I have to find good, which is very good. And now the adjustments. Good. Right. Good. Anyone can dictate the top. Good. As I said, next semester I'm going to sit and I'm just going to wait for you to teach it. Good. So then I see 3x. And this is very good. Divided by x plus 2, x minus 2, or vice versa. 0 over 1, which gives us 3x plus 7 equals 0, which means x equals negative 7/3. And I go back to my restrictions. Is this here? No. Very good. Good. So now what is left to review from chapter 7, and you tell me what you want me to do next. Adding and subtracting rational expressions with unlike denominators, and this is exactly what we did. Multiplying and dividing, stating domain of functions that are rational functions, and simplifying. So I think we did enough of finding LCD and adding and subtracting. Okay, very good. So let's go back to multiplying and dividing. Okay, so let's say here it is, 45. On page 459, 5x minus 20 over 3x squared plus x multiplied by 3x squared plus 13x plus 4. Everything divided by x squared minus 16. Are you okay? Oh, okay. Maybe you want to adjust the thermostat. It's right behind the screen. See if
It could. I don't want it.
So we'll look at the product, we'll look at the division, and then we will look at simplification and domain. Oh, I forgot literal equations. Oh, yeah, I have to go back for one problem. Let's say, yeah. I don't want to forget. So let's get it started.
The top one will be equal to 5 and the x minus 1. And the bottom equal x and this is 3x plus 1.
Excellent.
So
Let's finish the denominator first, and then we have to show the numerator.
x minus 4 x plus 4.
So now the numerator. So it's
two numbers that multiply to 12 that add to 13. It's 12
so then it becomes 3x squared
plus x plus 12x plus 4.
and then so I have x and 3x plus 1, and I have to have a 3x plus 1 coming from the other two. Positive 4 indeed. So this is 3x plus 1 and x plus 4. Good. So we are back here. I put it up. 3x plus 1 and x plus 4. We need to state how many restrictions, and only then we are allowed to simplify. Yes, from here. From here. From here. And from there, not equal negative 4. Good. Now I'm free to simplify. Which ones?
X minus 4.
Please write 1.
X plus 1. 3x plus 1. 5 over x.
Of course, assuming all these conditions are fulfilled. Very good. Perfect. Here's our problem next. N equals R plus V over G. We're asked to solve for G. Can anyone get us started? Very good. I'm solving for G. What should I do to both sides to solve for G? Very good. Let's look at a division now. 41 on page 459. X squared minus 4 over 24x divided by 2 minus x over 6xy. Again, because there are two variables in this problem, mainly in all of, just one, but I will say just denominators cannot be 0. I'm happy with that. Can anyone dictate the top? Can anyone tell us what to do with this? Very good. Perfect. Now I copy the first fraction, which is x minus 2, x plus 2 over 24x. And I flip the second fraction to 6xy, negative 1 if you want. If you can write it like this as well, x minus 2. Of course, x cannot be 0 and x, but since I said 2, it's good enough. So what do I do next? By by 6 and by x. The negative will stay in front. What is left from the top? Times? Good. Y times x minus 2. Oh, I crossed the wrong, yeah, thank you. Thank you. Over? Yes, I put the negative in front, so it's just 4. Assuming all denominators are safe. Okay, I would like to look at a domain. Let's say I have this function, problem 9 on 447. 3 plus 2x, everything divided by x cubed plus x squared minus 2x. I'm asked to find the domain. This and then problem 28, and then we'll stop. And 28 is, that's okay. Just review everything, you'll be fine. Thank you. See you on Wednesday. Okay. Good. So in the first problem, I'm asked to find the domain. In the second problem, I'm asked to simplify. Simplify. So, what will you do to the first fraction? Or the first function, I should say. Absolutely. And then I have x squared plus x minus 2. And then, good. How do I do that? Yes. And x. Very good. So now I know that x cannot be good. Then I know the domain then. Careful. Excellent. Here I'm only asked to simplify. Any questions for me? So this means in plain English, everything but -2, 0, and 1. Okay, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Right, this is a contract we made 3 months ago. Good, so the only restriction here is, good. So then, can I simplify now? By? One over x minus 9. Thank you for coming. I will see